Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Morning,
Yes. So I
Good
hope all are
morning, ma'am.
keeping well. And
Yes.
Good morning,
let's start.
ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, children. Good morning. Okay, children. So we
Morning,
started chapter 3, numbers.
Numbers.
Yes. Chapter 3, numbers. Okay.
Numbers.
Then see, children, you have exams going on, PT1 exams. That's why I didn't send the notes. Today we will write in the class. That's why I told you to keep your math notebook with you. And I hope all are ready with the books. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, good morning.
Ma'am, we want to take the instrument box.
No need, no need. Numbers. We are doing numbers only, you know. Same chapters. Okay. So, children, in last class we discussed what is place value and value.
Peace
So, who
value.
can tell me place value? Raise your hand and tell me. Place value. What do you mean by place? Yes, Chenin.
Each digit get its value from it occupies.
From the
That
place it occupies. Okay. Place value means in which place that number is. Okay. That number or digit will get the value of that place. Okay. For example, if it is in 100 place, that digit will get the number or place value of that 100. So that number multiplied with 100 will get the place value. Okay. So what about face value? Face value. Yes, Nia.
The face value will be the
Huh.
number itself.
Face value means the number itself. Okay. So that is easy to say the definition, but place value is also very easy. But you have to look the number, which place. It will change according to the place or position in the place value chart. Okay. According to the position in the place value chart, that value of the digit will change. But face value, wherever the digit is placed in whichever places, it is irrespective of the place and the number itself. The value will be number itself. Okay, children. So I will show you one video. Same place value and face value because you and I want all the children to be very attentive while I'm playing that. Okay, Zain, keep it there. All the pencil, everything there. Now, when I'm showing why we are showing to be
Ma'am.
thorough with the topic, I'm going to show you the video of place value and place value. Okay, children, ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children. Wasn't that easy to understand place value and face value?
Yes,
Yes. Yes, Raihan.
Yes,
Yes. What's the face? Okay, so face value and place value. I hope you are very thorough with the place value and face value now. Yes, face value means it will not change according to the place. Place value will change according to the position that occupies in the place value chart. Okay, children. Yes. Now we are going to write in the notebook place value, face value, and I hope all are ready with the books. Yes. I told you I'm not sending the notes because you have PT1 exams in the evenings. So it will be difficult for you to write everything. Yes, Bhagya.
I'm in my mother's house. I don't have.
You can write in the rough book and later on you can complete in the notebook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you show me the book, notebook. Notebook. Yes. So we are going to write new chapter, chapter 3, numbers. Chapter 3, numbers. We will write together. We can do together. Okay, children. And mute your audio and be very attentive and don't make careless mistakes. Okay. Because children, numbers, even if you don't write one digit, that your answer will be wrong and you will get careless mistake also easily in
Ma'am, please change
numbers.
the
Okay. Chapter
color
3,
of the
numbers.
board.
Yes.
Change the color of the board. Change the color of the board.
You can easily you can see here. Now see
Okay.
chapter 3, numbers.
Can you change the color white?
Why? This is easy, you know.
Yes,
Children, how is this?
Ma'am. See. Don't need to change the
Yes.
paper.
See, children, we used to write in black and blackboard. Yes, like that feeling you will get. And can you see the board clearly, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, chapter 3, numbers. Okay. So, children, you can write here largest.
Ma'am, can you change the pens color?
Can it will be changing? Okay. Can you see now? Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it's
It will be changing.
already with the
Ah.
color used.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is
Largest one-digit number. You can write the answer. Largest two-digit number. After you can write alone, and after that we will discuss the answer. Largest two-digit number. Largest three-digit number. Largest four-digit and largest five-digit number. Yes, Bhagya, can you tell me which is the largest one-digit number?
1,
Largest one-digit number.
9,
9. Very good. Okay. Aradhya, largest two-digit number.
two-digit number 99.
9. Two-digit means you have to write 9. How many times you will write 9? 2 9 you will write. Largest four-digit number. Then Zain, can you give me the three-digit number? Largest three-digit number. 999. Okay. Anna Rose, can you give me largest four-digit number? Anna Rose. Yes.
9,999.
Very good. 9,999. Children, you have to place the comma after three digits from the right side. After three digits from the right side. Next one is Kalbi. Can you give me largest five-digit number?
Ma'am, 99,999.
Yes. Very good. 99,000. Largest five-digit number. Children, count the number of digits while you are writing. Because some children, if you write four digits, that will be wrong. Because they hear the question is five digits. So 99,999. So largest five-digit number, you have to write 59. 99. That is 99,999. Okay. Next, we are going to write smallest number. See, children, we are starting with the smallest two-digit number we are writing. Smallest one-digit number, one we are not writing. We are starting from smallest two-digit number, okay? Smallest. Shasta, can you give me smallest two-digit number? Smallest two-digit number.
Ma'am, 10.
10. Very good. Smallest two-digit number is 10. Now, children, you can write like this. Smallest three-digit, smallest four-digit. We will write till smallest five-digit number. You can write smallest three-digit number.
We want to
Smallest
write
two-digit.
smallest to one-digit number.
That I told you, we are not writing from there because smallest, what is smallest one-digit number? 1. Okay, 1. You can write if you want because now children we have to write till 5 digits. So that is very easy. You are learning from class 1. Now smallest 5-digit number. Now, children please turn on your camera. I cannot see here many videos are off. Why? Mohammad Isan, give me smallest 3-digit number.
100.
100. Very good. So you can see the pattern also here, children. And when you are writing, you have to count the number of zeros. Asra, can you give me smallest 4-digit number? Smallest 4 digits.
1,000.
Yes, very good. 1,000. So what is the smallest 5-digit number, children?
10,000.
10,000. Very good. 10,000. This is the 5-digit number that we are going to learn this year. Yes, that is a new place value in the place value chart. What is that? 10,000. And count the number of zeros while writing. Don't make mistakes. How many zeros are there in 10,000, children? Count and write. We have to write 4. 4 zeros. Don't make mistakes. 10,000. Finished?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, last
Okay,
one.
okay. You can
Last
write. No
one.
problem. I'm not erasing. Now, children, we had to write what is place value and face value also. We had to do that.
Ma'am.
Now we are going to write place. See, children, if you have place, you can write that same page. Otherwise, you can choose take new page to write place value. Okay, place value you can write in next page, because till this largest and smallest you can write in one page. Next heading, that is place value. Place value. So we already discussed each digit gets its value from the place it occupies. Each digit gets its value from the place it occupies. This value is called place value. This value is called its place value. So what is place value? Each digit gets its value from the place it occupies. This value is called its place value. You can write one example also for that. We can write the example. Four one 311. Underline the number 4. Underline the number 4. And what you have to do? Write the place value of the underlined digit. Underlined digit is here 4. Place value of 4. Yes. What is the place value of 4? Look here which place that
40,000.
it is in 10,000 place. So it is place value of 4 is 40,000. So children, write without any mistake. If you don't write 0, your answer will be wrong. It will be 4,000. But what is the correct answer? 40,000. So the place value of the underlined digit, here the underlined digit is 4. So the answer is 40,000.
Ma'am, your sound is breaking.
Whose sound is breaking? Mine? Children, what about,
No,
can you hear me?
ma'am.
Because of
Yes,
your network
ma'am.
issue. Yes. So I think you have network issue. Okay. Next, children, we have to write face value. Have you finished place value?
No,
We are going to do.
yes, ma'am. Finished.
Okay, you can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next one, we are going to write that is face value. And what is face value? Face value of a number is the number itself.
Ma'am, I have some bit network issue.
Okay, I will send the notes later. Okay. I think you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
those who are facing network issue. I will send the notes later. So children, please see that.
I'm finished.
Finished.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have network issue.
Okay, I will send the notes later. Okay.
Finished.
Can you send the notes?
I will send the notes.
I will try to.
Okay, children. You see, those who are not able to write now, I will send that notes in the WhatsApp. You have to check whether you are, whenever you are free. By Monday, you can complete. Okay. I know you have exam. That's why we are writing in the class. And if you have any problem, you can write later. Okay. I will send that in the notes in the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now we are going to write face value. Okay, face value. And if you are not able to see the board, children, I'm saying, so you can write whenever you want. I'm repeating that. So children, next we are going to write what? Face value. Face value. Face value. What is face value? Face value of a number is the number itself. Okay. The face value of a number. Face value of a number is the number itself.
What is this?
That means it is not depending on the position in the place value chart or okay, it does not depend on the position in the place value. That means it is the same number itself. The face value of a number is the number itself. Then you can write the same example. Okay, you can write the same example. 4, 1, 3, 1, 1. Underline the number 4 and write the face value. What is the face value of 4? 4 itself. So you can write below the face value of 4 is equal to the face value of 4 is equal to the number itself, means the number, same number 4.
Ma'am, I was late and now I am writing place values. Meaning, can you show that?
Okay, children, I will send the notes in the, okay, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Okay, those who are facing any problem with the network or something, I will send it. Okay. Now the face value of 4 is equal to 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you show the definition of place value?
Okay, wait. Okay, some are writing face value now, so you have to wait. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now face value. What is place value? We have already discussed. Face value. It is each digit gets its value from the place it occupies. So here face value means what is that? Face value of a number is the number itself. And what is the face value of 4 here? 4. Okay. So I will show you from here the place value. Some children are asking for that. So what you have to do? Please revise. We are going to revise it again. Place value. Now look here. Each digit gets its value from the place it occupies. This value is called its place value. And for example, here 41311. What is the place value of 4 here? You can see here it is in ones. Here we have ones, 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So 40,000. Okay. Then after that, what we have discussed, face value. What is face value? Face value of a number is the number itself. And we are taking the same example, 41311. What is the face value of the underlined digit 4 here? The number 4 itself. The number 4 itself. Yes, children, completed all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now show me your notebook, all of you. Show me your notebook. Have you written neatly?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So children, if any have, okay, some children, they said they have network problem. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp by evening. Okay. So after your exams, you can complete. Okay. Yes. I hope, yes, Jenny, very good. Okay, Zain. Okay, children, very good. So, what we have written, smallest your 1 digit. Yes, Benedict. Okay. Let me see. Yes. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
show me the next page.
Ma'am, I didn't
Face
write-
value and place value. Okay.
I wrote the whole thing in one page.
1 page. Okay. I told you, you can write in the next page. No problem. Okay. If you can read that clearly, no problem. Okay, children. So, can you take out your math workbook?
Okay. Ma'am, can you send the notes in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send in the WhatsApp. Okay. I know some children are facing network problem. What you can do, you can complete. But I will send it in the evening.
And
And, okay.
to take out the workbook.
Yes, Sahla? What did you see? What did you ask me? All others, please mute your audio. Yes, Sahlam?
Did you tell us to take out the workbook?
No, no. I am telling you to take the workbook now. Okay. Now, children, please, Ishan, show me how much questions you have completed. Ishan? Ishan? Which question? 12. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay. Okay. So I told you, read question number 12. Ronit Lijo. All others be quiet. Page number 19. Page number 19 from the workbook.
Question.
Okay, okay. I want Ronnie to read question number 12. Okay, children, please mute your audio. Page number 19. Radhya, mute your audio. Yes, Ronit.
Which is the largest 5-digit number?
Okay. Which is the largest 5-digit number? Tell me the answer.
Oh, sorry.
99,999. Okay. Benedict, read question number 11. 11.
Yes, ma'am. Add 10,000 and
No, question number 11. 11.
yes, ma'am. What is the face value of the thousands place in
3.
53?
What is the face value of the digit in thousands place there?
Question number
1. Okay, 1 itself. See, children, today we have discussed face value and place value. So we are doing that revision, the question number 11 and 12 now. Okay, so what is that face value of the thousands place? The same number itself. Which is that number? Which is that digit? 1. So, and which is the largest 5-digit number? That also we have discussed today. What is that? 99,999. Okay, is there any confusion here, children? Any doubt? No. Is that clear for everyone? What is the place value, face value, and we are learning till 5-digit number. Okay, children? Understood?